Good morning. In today's Medieval Monday, we'll be having a quick look at the Giants in Miniature Joan of Arc model. This is a limited edition model produced in conjunction with Wargames Illustrated and is available from Northstar Games. So let's have a look at Joan herself. Very nice clean casting. Armour and arming sword are correct for the period. With her horse, just a few little casting vents and flow channels that should be very easy to remove, and a little bit of flash on the back legs. Again, nothing, a nice little snip with a knife shouldn't be able to cure. So let's give the horse a quick clean up.
I got the feeling that I was kind of hanging out there to drive, you know what I mean? Although they continue to press for more information, some researchers believe that the missing files and early mistakes.
There's a little bit of flash on the front.
Any investigation, whatever you investigate, if you don't really use the first 24 hours to try and chase it down, your chances of success diminish rapidly. The problem with the Rendlesham incident is that this happened over the Christmas period. A lot of the key personnel were on leave, and I think there was a bit of a decision-making vacuum. The newly released information is not sufficient to allow the men involved in Rendlesham to lay the incident to rest. But now, they possess the few pieces of intriguing evidence that remain from that strange encounter. Edison's plaster casts and drawings.
So, and one last bit there.
And John Burroughs still believe that the government is hiding the truth. There's a chain of command.
So just a bit of a mold line. There we go. It's all ready for priming. And will be painted quite soon. Although, of course, she's a little bit French. But I won't take that against her. Thank you.